Okay, so putting. A little bit different to full swing. In our full swing, our hands work together as a team or a unit. In putting, we want our hands working against each other. We control our arms by moving our shoulders, a rocking motion of the shoulders. Our lower body is very, very still. It's just the shoulders that control the arms. So our grip is going to be slightly different for putting because we want the hands to work against each other. We want both our palms facing the hole. So the grip we're going to use is slightly different. What we do is, rather than put the club in the fingers of your left hand, which you would for your full swing, you put it in the palm of your left hand. Your thumb sits on the top here, your left index finger stays off. Do the same with your right hand, put the palm of your right hand on the grip, bring your hands to the meat, keep your left index finger on the outside, both thumbs on top down the centre, and that's called the reverse overlap grip. That's the most common grip used in putting. Okay, so your setup is the same as you would do in your full swing. You want your feet, knees, hips and shoulders parallel to target line. Your eyes should be directly above the ball. Okay, because the club actually sits, the club shaft sits on an angle here, it will not move back in a straight line. It actually moves back in an arc. For your longer putts, it's an arc. For your short putts, it'll move back straight, but for the longer putts, it'll start to move back in an arc. So it goes inside the target line, back to straight or square, then inside the target line again. Okay, if the putter was vertical, then it would move straight back. Because the shaft's on an angle, it moves back in a curve. So your ball position, the ideal ball position is just left of your belly button. Just left, about half an inch to an inch. So I'm setting up. Every putter should have some sort of marking on it to help you with your alignment. Aim at the hole, do my reverse overlap grip, do my stance, posture, eyes over the ball. I'm going to keep my lower body still, just move my shoulders. Good tip to putting is don't watch it go in the hole, listen for it drop, don't watch it. The drill for putting, a lot of my students I see, there's a lot of lower body movement. We don't want any lower body movement in the putting stroke at all, only the shoulders move. So a little drill you can do for that is get in your ready position, start doing some small strokes, then get longer, then get faster, get very, very fast, try and keep the lower body very, very still. And what that does, it fires the muscles in your lower body, and if you make some putts from there, you feel it much easier to keep your lower body still.